How to create high-fidelity prototype in Figma Full Guide. Most people get this wrong, but creating a high-fidelity prototype in Figma is easier than you think. You won't believe how realistic your design can feel before development starts. Start by opening Figma and creating a new file. Design your interface using frames for screens and components for reusable elements like buttons, headers, and navigation bars. Use precise spacing, colors, and typography to match your intended final design. Next, add interactivity. Select a component, click the Prototype tab and connect it to the next frame. Define triggers like on click, while hovering, or after delay to simulate user flow. Use Smart Animate for smooth transitions, which makes the prototype feel like a real app. Test your prototype by clicking the Present button. Interact with buttons, menus, and modals. Make adjustments to responsiveness, component states, and animations to ensure everything behaves naturally. Finally, share your high-fidelity prototype with stakeholders via a link. Figma allows real-time commenting and feedback, which speeds up design iterations. In conclusion, creating high-fidelity prototype in Figma involves designing detailed screens, adding interactive flows, testing, and sharing for feedback. Follow these steps and your prototype will feel like a polished, working app even before development begins.